All right, we got spicy beef and spicy chicken. They forgot my cocoa bread. I'm so mad, but it's all good. And we have the real Jamaican herself here to do the taste test.
Based off of look,
This is the spicy beef.
It doesn't look as like ficciano as it usually does. So we'll see.
All right, cheers. Mmm. Bussin'. Moment of truth.
So not as flaky as it usually is. Definitely lacking in the flake. But the spice, the actual seasoning of it, really good. Really good. The flavor of it is nice. But the flakiness is lacking. Overall though, great job. Great choice. We'll be coming back here.
Are we gonna go in with the spicy chicken? My personal favorite.
I also love chicken.
Chicken gonna hit every time.
This is good. This is good. The flavor is really, really nice.
Overall, bussin', we will be coming back. And they better get my cocoa bread next time.
Yeah, it would have been really good.
This with cocoa bread would have been
So
crazy.
yeah.
Why am I finding out right now that ackee isn't a fish or an oyster or like some sea animal? It's a fruit or like a poisonous plant if eaten not ripe. But yeah, ackee and saltfish, this whole time I thought it was like some weird type of oyster and fish in a dish. No, it's actually brother or sister to the Logans, similar to the lychee. I'm talking about ackee similar to lychee. That's so interesting to me. I was just researching like different types of Jamaican food, and then I remember my friend always told me about ackee and saltfish. And I just, every time I would see ackee at the store, like it's in a can, I looked at it and tell me why I thought that it was like a fish in a can, like an oyster type of sardine type of thing. But yeah, ackee is a fruit.